At Solarvest, we believe in always bringing the best and newest technology to the market. We've decided to partner with Aiko and bringing their newest technology and solar modules to South Africa. This module is not just aesthetically pleasing because of its all-black look, but it has some special new technology built into it. This includes shading optimization at cell level, which means that when there is shading on the module, it can still produce 30% more than any other panel in the market. It also has all back contact, which means all the bus bars are situated at the back of the module, which gives it a bigger surface area for the sun's rays to catch energy, and that gives it the highest efficiency in the market. It also has a better temperature coefficient, which means the panel will perform better in hotter areas or in summer, and the power output therefore is a lot better. We are very excited to partner with Aiko to bring this new technology to South Africa.